I'm walking down the Swampscott waterfront right now. The seas are kind of rough because Hurricane Lee is passing offshore. Not hitting us directly, but passing offshore, but we're somewhat in the cone, although I think it might be Tropical Storm Lee now. It's interesting, you'd normally expect if a storm like that passes offshore that the waves coming will be strong enough to go up and over the walls here, but apparently that's not the case because the winds are blowing to the southeast. So it's actually blowing the water away. I guess this is probably the water coming back in after being blown away from the coast. If the winds are coming the other way, most likely the water would be splashing way up over these walls. Here's a good one. It's September 26, 2023. It's about high tide, which is, it's 12:56 p.m. So supposedly this will pretty much be all done in a couple hours. We're really getting no rain out of this today, which is nice. The water's crashing a little bit, but like I said, if the winds were going in the reverse direction, I would be getting absolutely drenched by standing this close to the wall. See all the seaweed in there being washed around. Actually, I thought I was about to get drenched right there, but